In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access HubSpot support within HubSpot, ensuring you get help fast whenever you need it. If you're using HubSpot for your business tools and services, you'll know that getting timely support can sometimes be crucial. So let's dive right in and make sure you know exactly how to reach out for help whenever problems or questions arise. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage. This is your starting point for accessing all the features and resources HubSpot offers. Once you're there, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Clicking on this will take you to the login screen where you can enter your credentials. If you're already logged in, you might be automatically redirected to your HubSpot home. Upon logging in, you'll be brought to your HubSpot home dashboard. It's good to familiarize yourself with this area as it's tailored to offer a comprehensive overview of your account. Here, you can easily navigate to different tools and see updates or notifications that need your attention. Now, to access support, keep an eye out for a small question mark icon. You'll typically find this icon in the main navigation bar or in a similar easily accessible location on the dashboard. Clicking on this icon will open up the help and support options available to you. Once the help menu appears, look for the option labeled Ask a Question. Click on this and you'll be guided to more specific support resources. It's a self-service feature that allows you to type in your questions and in many cases find quick answers or articles related to your query. This step saves you time if your question is commonly addressed in HubSpot's resource library or existing articles. Next, if you realize that you need more personalized assistance, or if the self-help options didn't quite resolve your problem, navigate to the support inbox. This is where you can contact HubSpot's support team directly. The support inbox is designed to manage your queries efficiently, ensuring that your issues or questions are addressed by a support expert. Keep in mind that reaching out through the support inbox might involve a brief wait as the support team reviews your request. Providing detailed information about your issue when submitting your query can expedite the process, allowing the support staff to assist you more efficiently. And there you have it. Accessing support within HubSpot is straightforward when you know where to look. By following these steps, you'll know exactly how to get the help you need, ensuring that any obstacles you're facing while using HubSpot are swiftly addressed. Remember, leveraging these support tools is an excellent way to enhance your experience and productivity while using HubSpot's powerful suite of business services.